No. Keep the count.
All right, the party is about to start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Wait right there.
5, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Let's go!
How's it going?
Good to see you. Happy opening day eve.
Opening day.
Yeah.
She's got number 4 spot, right?
Oh, maybe.
That means I'm gonna be on the news.
What? Trailertom reporting from Loveland Ski Area. Copper Mountain and Breckenridge open today, but here's the first chair and second chair filled. The first chair is already filled, second chair filling up now.
I'm in first chair.
Yeah, you are. First chair.
I'm only 9.
Only 9. Listen to that. She's going for it. She has a whole lifetime. Maybe give Nate Dogg a run for his money. Sean was first in line last year.
Which he
This
was
year.
on my news and he's my dad.
Yeah, he was. So awesome. It was great to meet him and hang out. Mr. Johnathan Billings chilling with Dora.
Got some
He was
hot dogs
first
for
in line.
for dinner.
Hot dogs for dinner.
Yeah.
Sounds delicious. Big Ant.
How's it going, guys?
He's holding it down. Chet's Dream. We're going to make the pilgrimage up and take some pictures. Put our boards up there. Start the wait. Loveland opens tomorrow. And yeah, we are inside 24 hours. Usually on the weekends, they open at 8:30 a.m. as opposed to 9 a.m. So if you get here fast, you might still get your spot. There's 3 left on second chair. It's going to be a powder day. Denver is basically closing down. There's 3 semis in the cabbage over there at Loveland Pass. I-70, they got the tow trucks out, and it's just a giant mess. All right.
Let's go.
Yeah, winter is here. Powder day tomorrow. Look at that, chair number 1. Here we are,
Ready to rock and roll for
ready for another season at Loveland. Yeah,
we're number 1.
first chair Loveland, opening day tomorrow. Guys gotta see this new hat Johnathan gave me. It's a TT119 hat, strain wise. Look at the inside, it's got outer space in there.
For opening day, too.
Yeah.
Look who rolled up. Super guest star of the movie.
Every time I show up to a ski resort, Tom's just waiting in line for first chair.
Just waiting in line. What's
Every
up,
time.
Cody?
Not much, just I was getting ready to go to Dallas and my flight got canceled, so I don't know what I'm doing now.
Probably snowboarding with us. Cody Pulliam, ladies and gentlemen, aka the Slush Badger. 3 semis in the cabbage and
Yeah,
just gnarly.
There was a semi in the cabbage right at the bottom. Everyone was snaking around him, and
It's cabbage season big times.
I hope everyone's just stoked to get back on snow.
There you go.
Just after 6 a.m. here at Loveland. Opening day. It is Saturday. Can't really get in line yet. I mean, up in the line because they're still grooming, still packing this out. Yesterday, they had the whole maze set up and they were ready to go. But so much snow came in last night, they had to reset everything, repack and regroom this base area.
Oh, they doing college football, and they come out and they.
Okay. Multitasking.
All right, we think we're out of the way enough if we move up by the trail map sign.
Yeah, because you get.
And they still have to build the maze, but we'll give it a shot.
Right here in front of Chet's Dream.
JB, aka Johnathan Billings, first in line. And this is your first time at Loveland. What do you think?
First time for big.
First time, first chair, big air, big
Don't
ant.
care.
Yeah.
Big Ant.
So long story short, I used to snowboard. I worked here at Loveland for 3 years in the rental shop as a manager. And then one year I was out snowboarding. We did not have the best of snow conditions, and we went up, took the Ridge Cat up, and hiked out to Marmot. After we decided that we were gonna ride Marmot, dropped in, clipped a rock with the toe edge of my snowboard, which then sent me tomahawking down the mountain, skiers right, into a larger patch of rocks where I got a pretty serious leg injury. I had a triple open patella, double open tib, hairline fracture on my fib, and was immediately taken off the mountain and rushed to emergency surgery down in Denver. That injury gave me a nice metal rod in my right leg and some more hardware in my knee. And that is what put me on this wonderful bike here. This was my savior of winters. I had to spend 7 months relearning how to walk with that metal rod in my leg, and just snowboarding was not in the cards for the next season. So working a trade show, I ended up finding out about the wonderful sport of ski biking. Immediately dove headfirst into ski biking, and have since then been doing it for, I believe this is my 7th season now. I've also become a representative for the American Ski Bike Association. I do rentals and lessons. I mean, I've just gone 100% commitment to the sport. And it's very exciting today to be back at Loveland under adaptive circumstances, because ski bikes were not previously allowed here. It was a very taboo thing for the small ski area of Loveland. So it's a huge honor to be back. Thank you to Ski Patrol and everyone who made it possible. So very excited to be here with Tom and Ant and everybody for opening day. Super exciting.
We love having you. Now you have a special, what, doctor's note or special pass?
Yeah, so
what's that all
the
about to be able to
process,
ski bike
I
here?
submitted a doctor's note. I got my bike approved by Ski Patrol, and then they ended up giving me my own special permit for riding ski bikes here at Loveland.
Ski bike approved.
There's one other guy who is a long-time rider here with a different style of bike. The style that I ride was just a no-go for a long time, and this year they decided to change that, so I'm very, very thankful.
My name's Rylee, and I've never been to the first day of Loveland. I have been bugging my dad last summer to bring me here, so I could be the one who cuts the ribbon.
Who's this guy?
This is my dad.
Okay. He beat that Trailer Tom guy in line last year, right?
Tom beat me by 20 minutes this year.
Just barely, barely. Yeah.
You're getting it signed?
Signed.
Dude,
Yeah.
that is a collector's item.
Just devalued it big time.
Has it? Ha ha.
Yeah.
I'm always here for you.
Yes, appreciate you, appreciate you. What kind of scraper do you use there, Ant? Ah, Cobar. Pinball plate. JB holding it down big time.
You ain't sneaking in on this.
Oh, no way. Let's get a shot behind us. See if there's...
JB, man.
Toast is getting cold.
Oh yeah. Hey.
You got it. You nice here.
Get the first scan here. Dakota. Could be happening.
Let's go.
Gonna open it up, I think.
All ready, guys? Go ahead and head over to the wait here line, please. Hold on.
Could be happening.
Go.
We're gonna open it up, I think.
All ready, guys? Go ahead and head over
Ready.
to the wait here line, please.
Okay.
How excited are we?
Little memorial chair for those that could not be here with us. The first chair. Here we go, Rylee. Here we go, JB.
Feels good.
Yeah, big Ant.
I'll take chair.
Oh, yeah.
Did it, guys.
Good job, guys. Yeah.
One more
Another
in the
first
book.
chair for Loveland.
And we got a
Opening
first.
day. Woo. Getting a little cold. Losing past the first day. She's in the cabbage already. The race is on. Leslie's gonna win the race. Who's could it be? Oh, it's all good. No worries, no worries. Power slash. Some carnage on the first run, but everyone's okay.
Oh yeah.
How was the first run at? What up, Greg?
It was great, honestly. I mean, the run's fun. Find a little bit of powder on the sides, but it's nice and groomed in. I mean, make amazing turns.
Yeah, last night I got a lot of snow, so it is soft, nice groomies. Felt a little bit of fast and loud here down at the bottom, but
Yeah.
as you could slash right by the ropes, found some good powder on the side. Yeah, Garrett.
Yeah, but
Gags, how you doing, boss?
really well. It's that
Yeah, you know it, you know
yeah,
it.
brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Thanks, bud.
Christmas in for
Oh man, beautiful. Beautiful powder day. All right, Loveland taking our victory laps. The snow just continues to pound us here. It is snowing big time. Powder day tomorrow.
Uller showed up in style, baby.
Yeah. Speaking of in style, look at this seat in the lift line. Holy.
Luxury, baby.
Luxury.
Here, I got one for you. We call this the lazy boy.
Oh yeah. Lazy boy in the line. How we roll.
Yes, sir. Ski biking at Loveland, baby.
Back at it. It is winter up here, big time.
Yeah.
Ain't letting up neither.
We definitely need more coverage, but
Oh yeah.
these
Nice
trees
and
are looking
soft at the
pretty.
top. It was a lot softer at the top than I anticipated.
Yeah,
Especially after seeing them scrambling at the bottom.
when all the grooming they did last night.
Yeah.
Bottom.
Got it. Can't blow the shot.
No.
I'm sorry, Karen.
All right. Oh, I'm burning up now.
Yeah.
So many warm layers on.
Me too.
We're going celebratory first breakfast. It was a long, chilly night, so time for some food. I'm definitely dehydrated. Did not eat breakfast this morning. Ate dinner early, 4 p.m.-ish last night, just to fast, to be able to hold down that place in line without too many bathroom trips. Do you know that you started at an earlier age than I did for first chairs? So I think you could be the next first chair champion. Yeah. Good job, Rylee. See you guys up there. What up, John? First chair champion in the books. Nicely
half
done,
that
sir.
banner. Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Did you keep it?
Yeah. Awesome souvenir.